how to buy computer control AI token. This token came under the symbol of computer AI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and it's released in the as you can see 3 days ago. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your phone to wallet for that, click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. Now after that, as you can see, this is our token, click on it. Now after that, set how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, the Radium CPMM via OKX. After that, make sure to read all of this information and click on swap here. After that, you will be redirected to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slippage or custom it, because the most issues came from this slippage. So this is how to buy the computer AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.